Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily export your Figma prototype as a video file. If you've just wrapped up polishing your design and you want to share how your prototype actually works, maybe for a presentation or just to impress your client, this quick tutorial is exactly what you need. By the end of this video, you'll know step by step how to record and export your Figma interactions so anyone can see your work in motion, even outside of Figma. So let's get started. Alright, let's assume you're already finished with your project in Figma and you've set up all your frames and interactive flows. Maybe you've created a slick onboarding animation or your navigation transitions are just too good not to show off. Whatever your prototype looks like, let's walk through how to turn all those interactions into a video file you can easily share. First up, take a look toward the bottom center of your Figma window. You'll notice an action button down there. This is a newer addition, so if you haven't seen it before, don't worry. Alternatively, if you prefer keyboard shortcuts, go ahead and press Ctrl+K. That's going to open up a handy quick action search bar. It pops up right in the middle, making it super accessible, and it's great not just for this, but for all sorts of Figma commands. Think of it like a shortcut portal, especially useful when you want to speed up your workflow and avoid clicking through menus. Now in that search field, start typing export to GIF video. As you type, Figma will suggest relevant commands, and you should see export to GIF video pop up in the list. Go ahead and click on it or hit enter if it's already highlighted. Just a quick note here, if you don't spot the export option right away, double check that you're on your prototype tab and that you have an animated flow set up. The export feature is specifically for your animations. If nothing's moving in your prototype, there's nothing to record. Once you select this option, Figma cleverly detects that your file includes animations. It's going to offer an export window that recognizes your animated flows, and you'll be prompted with choices for exporting as either a GIF or a video. For this example, we're focused on video, so simply follow the prompts to export animation as a video file. Depending on the length and complexity of your prototype, this part might take a few moments, especially if you have a lot of transitions. Don't worry if your computer is thinking for a bit, that just means it's capturing all your hard work in glorious motion. And that's pretty much it. Once Figma finishes up, you'll have a brand new video file saved out that you can upload, email, or drop into any presentation. It'll include all your clickable paths, transitions, and the polish you added in Figma. If you want to double-check how it looks, just open the video file and play it back. This way, you're absolutely sure everything exported the way you expected. So that's how you export your Figma prototype to video, quick, straightforward, and perfect for sharing your designs with anyone, even folks who aren't on Figma. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions or if you'd like to see more Figma tips and tricks. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss a future tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.